In the heart of Arendelle, Alsa was bubbling with excitement. Today marked her first attempt at making pizza, an Italian delicacy she had always wanted to try. The royal kitchen, a grand room with towering shelves and gleaming kitchenware, was hers for the day. Wearing an apron over her usual attire, and with her hair tied up to keep it out of the way, Alsa gathered her ingredients. Flour, yeast, water, tomatoes, cheese, and a plethora of toppings were spread out on the large oak table before her. Nervously, she glanced around. Anna, Olaf, and many others were busy with their duties, leaving her alone in her culinary adventure. Alsa started slowly, mixing the flour, water, and yeast, trying to get the consistency of the dough just right. As she kneaded, flour puffed up like a cloud each time she pressed down, soon coating the counters, the floor, and even her hair. Laughter echoed in the empty kitchen as she tried to manage the sticky mess. Next, she turned to the sauce. Squashing tomatoes proved to be a very satisfying task, although she didn't anticipate the liquid enthusiasm that splattered onto the walls. Undeterred, Alsa spread the luscious red sauce over the rolled-out dough, sticks of fresh mozzarella crumbling between her fingers as she added them. The kitchen was filled with a delightful aroma when something peculiar happened. A quiet magical hum surrounded her, a shimmering aura glinting in her eyes. Her fingertips tingled, an old magic she seldom used surging unexpectedly through her veins. Without warning, the pizza lifted off the table, hovering in midair. Alarmed yet fascinated, Alsa watched as the magical current swirled lazily around the floating dish. Realizing the potential chaos if the pizza decided to explore the castle unaided, Alsa acted swiftly. Her hands danced in coordinated symphony, directing the floating feast gently back down onto the table just as Anna and Olaf entered through the great kitchen doors. "Alsa, what just happened here?" Anna asked, wide-eyed with curiosity and a hint of amusement at the sight of flour dust lining Alsa's hair. Olaf giggled, his button nose sniffing the air appreciatively. "It smells delicious." Despite her earlier surprise, Alsa grinned sheepishly. "Just a bit of magic. I thought it needed something extra special." With a laugh, the trio settled around the table, Alsa cutting generous slices of the enchanting pizza. Soon, word of her successful creation spread throughout the kingdom. Citizens of Arendelle gathered in the grand hall, excited to partake in this new culinary delight. As they shared the meal, laughter and jubilant chatter filled the castle. The pizza, with its perfectly crisp crust and melty, cheesy topping, became instantly legendary in Arendelle. Whether it was the magic that made it taste so divine or simply the joy shared among friends and family, everyone agreed. It was the tastiest pizza they ever had. From that day on, Alsa was known not only as the Queen of Arendelle, but also as the Queen of Pizza Making, a title she wore with pride and joy, creating pizzas for all to enjoy during festivities and feasts.